This is a message to the Uyghur community in London and across the UK. This Saturday at 2 p.m, outside the Royal Mint Court, opposite the Tower of London, we are protesting the proposed Chinese mega embassy, and we need you there. What is being proposed is not just any embassy. It's a threat to your safety, your freedom, and your right to speak in this country. Uyghurs cannot protest in their homeland. They cannot speak freely. They cannot organise. They cannot raise their voices without severe punishment. You carry the voices of your brothers and sisters who have been silenced. Transnational repression is already happening in London. Uyghurs are followed, monitored, photographed at protests, intimidated for speaking out. If this proposed mega embassy goes ahead, that fear will only grow. And if fear wins, the right to protest quietly disappears. This is the moment to awaken, before silence is forced on you here in London. We know the risks you face. We know the fear is real. We understand why some are afraid to show their faces. Wear a mask if you need to. Cover your face if you must. Protect yourself, but do not disappear. Because if the Uyghurs cannot speak up now together, the right to do so in the future is not guaranteed. This is about national security. It's about protecting your rights in this country. And it's about ensuring that London remains a place where repression does not follow. Be there. Be the voice for the people who don't have one. Speak. Now is the time. Rahmet.